Hello foodies, welcome to Rishika recipes. Today's special is cabbage buns. In a bowl, take 100 grams of melted unsalted butter, 2 full eggs and 1 egg white, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 4 grams of dry yeast. If your yeast is older, dough will not grow. Salt 1 teaspoon, that is 10 grams. Mix all the ingredients well and add 500 ml of warm milk and mix well. Make sure that your milk is warm. Now sift and add 1100 grams of all-purpose flour. The quantity of the flour may increase or decrease depending on the flour type. So don't add all the flour at once. Add little by little and continue mixing. Now knead the dough for minimum 5 minutes and cover with stretched plastic or polyethylene cover or a wet cloth and rest it for 2 hours as minimum. Here the time depends on the yeast variety which you are using. The dough need to be double in size. Until dough grows, we will prepare cabbage for filling. Take small size of cabbage, approximately 250 grams. Slice into small pieces. Take 1 big onion, approximately 70 to 100 grams, and cut into half-moon shaped pieces. Take 10 to 15 garlic cloves. Clean the out layer and cut into small pieces. Take handful of coriander leaves, clean and cut. Now in a bowl, heat up 50 to 80 ml of oil and add chopped garlic and onion. Fry till onion gets light brown color. Now add cabbage and mix well. Add salt to taste, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder and mix well. When cabbage is half cooked, add coriander leaves and 1 teaspoon of Garam Masala. For Garam Masala recipe, you can check the link in description below. Mix well and switch off the stove and let it cool down. Now take out the dough. Look, the dough grows more than double in size. Look how many air gaps in it. If yeast is good, result will be like this. Take small quantity and make into small ball shape. Do this for the rest of the dough, cover it and rest it for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, begin to form a buns. In the center, we will make a deepening and put 1 tablespoon of cabbage filling, which we prepared in advance, and pinch the edges in this way and form a bun. Put them immediately on the baking tray with the seam down. Cover it and rest for 30 minutes. We have formed all the remaining buns in the same way. If you are preparing in a huge quantity, you can place them in another plate and cover. After, you can transfer to baking tray, but this will disturb the dough and not a recommended process. Before baking, beat with a fork the egg yolk that we left while kneading the dough and apply to buns so that they turn out to be beautiful and golden in color. Sprinkle sesame seeds on the top. Now bake in 190 degrees for 16 to 20 minutes in a preheated oven. Time depends on the oven type you are using. When buns get golden color, remove. In my oven it took 16 minutes for baking. Look how beautiful they bake. Color and texture is good. They are very soft and tastes delicious. Very spongy. If you like this video, give thumbs up. Your subscription is a big support to me and to my channel. Please comment below your opinion on this video.